In my thesis titled A Suspected History, I wrote about the suspected queerness of my grandfather through this idea of journal entries. And upon investigating his studio further, I discovered his own thesis. Did my grandfather know I was gay? Was my grandfather gay like me? June 7th, 2016. I dreamt of my grandfather. He picked up a box I had never seen before. He told me there was something inside this box that he wanted me to have. He handed it to me, and I began to open it. But because fate is cruel, I was awakened before I was able to peer inside the box. I began my search. Drawers upon drawers of information vital to my research. I was stunned of how much work was in that space that I had never seen before. I saw a stack of broken frames. I began to look through them, almost forgetting at this point what I was really looking for. And then I found it. The box from my dream. The one I had never seen before. The one he wanted me to have. What did this mean? His ideas, my ideas, everything was connecting. Was I connected to him? Did I inherit his spirit when I almost died? Was I connected to him? I didn't know where to start with my own work. Was it even my work? Or is it his? I told you I died that day.